If Microsoft Word is not responding, not starting, or not opening on Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick step-by-step fix that can help you get Word running again without wasting time. We'll start with the easiest solution first, then move into safe mode, which is especially useful if an add-in or extension is causing the issue. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Windows 11 troubleshooting guides. All right, let's get into it. First, if Word is frozen or completely stuck, you need to force close it. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps and processes. Now go to the Processes tab and look for Microsoft Word in the list. It may also appear as winword.exe. Once you find it, right-click it and choose End Task. This fully shuts Word down, which is important because sometimes the app looks closed, but it's still running in the background and preventing a fresh launch. After ending the task, wait a few seconds, then try opening Word again. If it starts normally, the problem may have just been a temporary freeze. But if Word is still not responding or still refuses to open, the next step is to launch it in safe mode. Safe mode starts Word without add-ins, plugins, or custom startup items that can cause crashes or loading problems. To open Word in safe mode, press Windows key and R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the text field, type winword/safe, exactly as shown, then click OK or press Enter. If Word opens in safe mode, that's a strong sign that one of your add-ins or extensions is causing the issue. At that point, you can begin disabling add-ins one by one inside Word later to find the problem. If Word opens successfully in safe mode, take a moment to test whether it behaves normally. You can open a blank document, check the menus, and see if the app responds properly. If it does, the issue is likely not with Word itself, but with something loading during normal startup. That could include a damaged add-in, a corrupted template, or even an Office configuration issue. If Word still won't open, even in safe mode, the problem may be deeper, and you may need to check your Office installation or restart your computer before trying again. But in many cases, force quitting Word and then opening it with winword/safe is enough to get you back into the app quickly. So to recap, first use Task Manager to fully end Microsoft Word, then relaunch it normally. If that fails, use the Run box and type winword/safe to start Word without add-ins. This simple process fixes a lot of Windows 11 Word startup problems very quickly. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, Windows 11 help, and Microsoft Office troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.